Mirrors can create surreal lighting effects that deceive the eye, bending reality with their reflective powers. This phenomenon has captivated artists and photographers for centuries, as they attempt to harness its power to create ethereal and captivating images. So, how do mirrors manage to create such incredible lighting effects? And what secrets lie behind their seemingly magical abilities? To understand this, let's dive into the world of optics and explore the science behind mirrors and their relationship with light. Imagine a beam of light hitting a mirror. What happens next is a fascinating process that involves reflection, refraction, and diffusion. But that's not the strangest part. When light hits a mirror, it doesn't simply bounce back, it's affected by the mirror's surface and angle. Wait until you hear what comes next. The angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are not always the same, creating an optical illusion. It's like trying to navigate a maze with multiple paths and dead ends. The light beam follows a unique trajectory, influenced by the mirror's curvature. And then something unexpected happens. The mirror's surface can be so smooth that it creates a perfect reflection with no apparent distortion. But what about the mirror's frame or any objects placed nearby? How do these affect the lighting effect? Scientists discovered that even a slight deviation in the mirror's surface or the surrounding environment can significantly alter the reflection. Funhouse-like reflection.
For instance, a concave mirror can create a miniature rainbow effect, while a convex mirror can produce a distorted, funhouse-like reflection. The possibilities are endless, and the science behind mirrors is just as fascinating as the resulting images.
However, creating these surreal lighting effects is not just about the mirror itself. It's also about the surrounding environment and the camera's position. Photographers often use techniques like angling the camera or adding objects to the scene to enhance the lighting effect and create a unique atmosphere. But that's not all. Mirrors can also be used to create an illusion of depth or distance, making objects appear closer or farther away than they actually are. This is achieved by carefully positioning the mirror and the camera, taking advantage of the way light interacts with the mirror's surface. The result is a captivating image that seems to defy reality, with objects appearing to float or move in ways that are not physically possible. So, how can you create these incredible lighting effects in your own photography? If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this and join our journey of discovery.